Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your student account is eligible and has admin permissions if required. This avoids access errors later. Once confirmed, make sure your device runs the latest Chrome or mobile OS so the Gemini integration installs cleanly. Next, enable two-factor authentication and accept any school privacy or AI use policies. Do this now so sign-in is seamless. These steps remove common blockers and speed the process, so you can move to activation without delays or permission denials. You sign into your Google account and open the Google app or workspace portal. This is where Gemini appears. Once inside, find Gemini under Labs, AI Tools, or the Assistant settings. Schools sometimes place it in different menus. When prompted, grant microphone, storage, and profile permissions so features work correctly. Keep your responses tied to your school profile if required. Make sure to read the brief consent screens. They explain data use and help you choose settings that respect privacy and classroom rules. You wrap up by running a short test prompt. Ask Gemini a simple question and confirm results are useful and appropriate. Once satisfied, customize voice, safety, and sharing settings so responses fit class needs and privacy rules. This makes Gemini classroom ready. If activation fails or features are blocked, capture the error code and time, then contact your IT or admin team, providing specific speeds resolution. Keep calm and retry after an admin change, since permission propagation can take a few minutes to 1 hour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.